Welcome to Ben Talks Money.
I have been talking about SoFi stock for a long time, dating back to when the stock was about $14 per share. And today, the stock hit $28.50, which is the all-time highs. So what is next for SoFi? In this video, we will discuss what is next for SoFi stock. Hi, welcome to Ben Talks Money. My name is Ben. I have an MBA in finance and management, and I have been trading for the past 8 years. So let's get started. What is next for SoFi? The stock has been on an upward trend for months now. And after hitting all-time highs today, what should we expect from SoFi stock? There are a few things that could happen to the stock going forward. In terms of the bearish side, you will see a lot of people taking profit from here. People that bought SoFi back in a couple of years ago when the stock was around $8. You see people like that taking profit. Those who bought it around $14, you see them taking profit. If you've made 100% on the stock, you definitely take a little bit of profit, right? So you see some people taking profit here and there from the stock. People will be trying to trim the position. And the other bearish scenario is that you see analysts coming up with a downgrade that the stock has gone up too far. The stock is too expensive. So you are likely to see a downgrade. That is another factor on the bearish side. So what are the bullish scenarios? You are likely to see some analysts also coming in with upgrades. There's likely to be people who just realize that, oh, I'm missing out. SoFi just hit an all-time high. It's going to do another Robin Hood. I'm missing out. And that's where the FOMO comes in. The FOMO comes in and is likely to push the stock much higher because you see some analysts talking about SoFi stock hitting $50. We are just at 28, right? So it still has a lot of room to go if you go by that narrative. So you might see people coming in into the market, buying the stock to push it much higher. And you have to bear in mind that we are in a strong bullish market. This market is very strong. And you see stock going up, making all-time highs every single day. There are multiple stocks that are hitting all-time highs every day, especially in the small cap sector. So that is one scenario that can propel SoFi stock to keep moving up. You know, the blue sky setup, if you look at the chart, there is no resistance anywhere. It's a blue sky setup. The sky is the limit. And that is something that some traders also trade as their trading strategy, the blue sky setup. And you can also see a short squeeze from here. It's likely to see a short squeeze. People who shorted a stock back when it was maybe $20, $14, thinking this stock is going to drop. Because mind you, if you look at the daily chart on SoFi, every time the stock hit around $21, $23, it always drops back to $14 and then to $8. So there might be people who look at the chart when the stock was around $23 and decided I'm going to short it because it's going to drop back again. And now that we're hitting all-time highs, they might be getting margin calls. They might be panicking and they will just decide to cover the position. Covering the position means buying. You have to buy to cover the position. And that's also another scenario that can help keep moving SoFi stock much, much higher. And one more thing is that the positive news coming from the company. The company might issue a news. They might come up with new product. They might come up with some news that will keep exciting investors, just like what Robinhood did. When Robinhood started going up, every week or every couple of weeks, you see them coming up with new products. So those are the things that can move the stock much, much higher. So what am I doing with my position? I trimmed a little bit. You have to pay yourself. You are not just holding the stock for holding its sake. I trimmed just a small portion and I have call options also. So the goal is to keep the momentum because this market is really, really, really hot right now. So that's what I'm doing for SoFi. What are you doing with your SoFi stock? Are you selling? Are you holding? It's an all-time high. We've been waiting for this for a long time. And if this holds, if this momentum holds, again, it's a blue sky setup. So the sky is the limit. So let me know in the comment section below, what are you doing with SoFi? And if you are new here, subscribe to the channel, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, let's keep talking money.